In this tutorial, you will learn to build multiple products in the InCommand Go display. Building products helps you keep your data tidy in the display and data management systems. Entering detailed and accurate product names can also help with record keeping for custom applicators and variety tracking during harvest. To begin, select the setup gear on the home screen. Choose the Product tab at the top. Any products previously entered will appear in the list on the left under the respective operation. To build a new product, choose the green plus. Select the type of product you wish to build. For this example, we will build a corn hybrid, so select Seed Variety. Now, you may enter the manufacturer and the hybrid name. If you have previously entered a manufacturer, you may select it from the drop-down. To add new, select the wrench. Choose the green plus, and begin typing the name of the manufacturer. Enter the hybrid name. By default, the Advanced Seed Tube Monitoring box will be checked. Advanced Seed Tube Monitoring provides planter performance monitoring for seed meter singulation, skips, doubles, and spacing quality for all rows when planting compatible crops. The new hybrid will appear in the list of products under the planting header. This hybrid will also be available for selection in the drop-down before loading to the run screen on the planting operation. Now, we will add a single application product. Select the green plus. Choose Application Product. For the product type, select Fertilizer. For the fertilizer, select anhydrous ammonia. Choose Next. By default, the display will name the product NH3. Choose the green check. Anhydrous will now be listed under the application header in the product list. If you wish to add an application mix or blend, choose the green plus. Select Mix Blends from the product list. Choose the type from the drop-down list and select how you would like to define the type of mix or blend. For this example, we will select tank mix and total amounts. Choose Next. Enter the base amount for this product. For example, we will use 10 gallons. Choose Next. Now, enter the contents of the mix or blend. Begin adding by choosing the green plus. You can add previously created single application products from the selection drop-down list, or you can add new by choosing the green plus. Once you have all contents added, choose Next. Name the mix and choose the green check. Choose the green check again to return to the product list. The final product we will add is a harvest product. Choose the green plus and select Harvest Product. Choose the crop type from the drop-down. For this example, we will select corn. We will use the suggested name for the crop type, but if edits are desired, they can be made here. Choose Next. You now have the option to enter any hybrids that will be used for variety tracking when working with this new product. Any seed type that has already been entered or has the crop type you created will already be listed. Choose the green check. This product will now be listed under the harvest header in the product list. All products can be edited after being built. To modify the first seed hybrid we built, highlight the product name and select the wrench. Modify the manufacturer in the General tab, or customize the product's legend in the Rate Legend tab. You can delete previously built products using the red minus symbol. The display will ask for confirmation, as all deleted products are final. You have now learned to build multiple products in the InCommand Go display. For more information on setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.